What up? It's a waking back again, representing Mr. Kimani Capital. And today, as usual, we are digressing. We want to see what the charts are saying, and I'm still starting my analysis from a monthly time frame, going down, top down analysis, as they call it, because this helps us understand what the lower time frames are trying to achieve. Because if you are seeing a downtrend in the monthly time frame, that means that the lower time frames are gonna gear up to achieve this, right? Are gonna be here gearing up very strongly to achieve this overall goal of the monthly time frame, which is now shorts. Okay, looking for shorts right there. So go to the weekly time frame. Okay, and you can see clearly that we are also in a very strong downtrend right there, which means this week is gonna be very uh it's gonna be a week where we are looking for shorts, although the majority of the move has already happened and we are now retesting this value area. Okay, I expected us to dilly dally here, either break or just you know range around this region for the past for the next this week until next week. And when you go further down to the daily time frame, remember this Bitcoin, guys. You can see here after this 6% move down, we are now having that relief bounce, and hopefully we're gonna come all the way to this key support which we broke without even retesting, and retest it, which is around 44,300. Okay, 44,300. So once we get that relief bounce, expecting us kind of dilly dally here a little bit before going further down. You can see how the bulls are trying to find up, moving up very slowly. But guys, remember that value area is basically the price point at which many traders in the market are willing to buy or sell at this point, right? So if I bought down here, I'll be willing to sell here. Okay, if I was selling from down up here, I know there are a lot of willing buyers here, so I'll be willing to sell my Bitcoin here for other people to buy, which is amazing, very nice. That was a very nice touch. And now I'll be looking for. Let's go to the one. I'll be looking for that touch to that. I'll be looking for this. Okay, we have enough bullish news, but I feel like we're gonna come back down here to kinda. That's a very high probability setup. So you can see this channel that's going up like that. We have had that three touches up here. This is a touch. Okay, and then we have one, two. We're waiting for that touch right here. That would be super necessary. That's around 38k, and I feel only after that is when we are going to go further up. We're gonna grab all this liquidity height. You can see we just broke. Um, okay, we just broke this trend line right there. So breaking that trend line means that now we can only look for shorts unless we want to counter trend. And you can see with counter trending what happens. The market doesn't always move up. It kind of ranges there. Trying to grab, create more liquidity. Of course, people are looking for shorts here. So what happens is that chances that we're gonna see like a spike up, liquidate shorts, hit handsome stop losses before we go further down. So I'll be waiting for exactly that, which I believe is gonna happen probably next week. because we're on a Friday and we're getting to a weekend. Normally don't like trading on weekends, so probably we're gonna do that here for the best part of the weekend. Until next week, when now I'll also be coming back to the market and we see if we're gonna capitalize on this move going all the way down, right? Yeah, so we go to Luna. Luna has already come to our buying area, okay? But again, remember, all these tokens are really correlated with Bitcoin, and this thesis of mine I'll have to neglect it because now if Bitcoin is going further down, I don't expect Luna to be the only one pumping. So I'll also be looking at shorting it again to this other key zone down here. That's a clean 14%. Okay, very tight stop loss right there, and then yeah, okay. Yeah, so I expect it to bounce off again from this point once we break this uh, resistance which we broke as the all-time high and we've come to retest it. Okay, once we break it again, turn support, retest, and then see us coming way down. Solana, where are you? Where are you? Yeah, so I expected Solana to bounce back to this 120k region, 120 region, and I can see it has done that. But since Bitcoin is still going up, okay, remember we are waiting for Bitcoin to come. Let me just show you again. We're waiting for Bitcoin to come to this zone. So, and absolutely it's gonna come to this zone. So, what's gonna happen to us? Alts are definitely gonna pump, as well. So, I see us coming to retest this like this was the last zone that Solana had that bounce off, meaning it's a key zone. You can see it clearly from even previously right there. So if Solana can come here and then grab all that to this zone down here, that would be amazing. So we'll be looking for those shots for next week. So let's Yeah, so you guys, you wanna be trending with the trend, guys. You want to be trending with the trend. Why? Because right now we're in a downtrend. Okay, this uh we have this trend line right there. So if we can't have this test there, it will be in tandem with also this support, and then you can see how slowly it's climbing up, and you're gonna see how fast it's gonna drop. So you always wanna be on the side that has more volume. So if we are going up, be on the buying side because despite these small dips, the volume is geared towards buyers, right? The buyers is more uh, the buyers is more buyers in the volume in the market. What does that mean? Buyers ya kwanza ni BIAS and the second one is BUYERS. So we have a buyers that more buyers in the game, you buy. If you have a buyers that more sellers are in the market, you sell. So I'll be waiting for that short and I'll be capitalizing on that. That's a cool 16%. 16% basically means, guys, 16% with 10x leverage, that's 160%. That's double your money. Very nice, nice and easy. XRP, XRP is doing amazing right here. You're still on the short that we took right there. If you guys took the short, you're still on it. And again, of course, it's gonna come to a test here up again before it go further down, and that will be another cool 20%. Uh, and that makes real sense. Very tight stop loss, very tight stop loss. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. For today, I told you guys we are gonna expect that kind of range for Bitcoin, which is very healthy after such a drop. So, and having no other news, no bullish, no negative news, we're good, right? We're good to go. So let's collect some diamonds here. I don't know if CoinGecko is now up and operational. Let me see CoinGecko. Okay, so CoinGecko seems like they're back. candies. I have to log in again. Okay. Meanwhile, let me collect some diamonds here on Coin Market Cap. And I say, guys, you may ask me what these diamonds are. I always tell you that in crypto there are a lot of airdrops, there are a lot of free coins, free tokens. So this is what these guys are building. They want you guys to collect this diamond and they're gonna give them value someday. So it doesn't matter when, just need to collect them. Then on CoinGecko collect the candies. So here on CoinGecko, this is where now I come again. I look at the stats here and see what's going on. Okay, so 2.1 trillion market cap for all the cryptos, almost 100 billion for volume, very low right there. Bitcoin dominance has fallen below 40%, amazing. We have over 13,000 coins. Of course, yeah, so when you come here to the 24-hour volume, you can see the volume has really decreased in everything. Okay, everything has really decreased in volume, but we still have Luna, XRP, and Solana right there. And Near protocol right now is coming up because Near is trending. We have seen digital currency group, which is the one of the largest uh, investors in crypto, has Near protocol as the third largest holding in their portfolio. So of course we expected that kind of reaction to the market, and yeah, it's worth looking at. Ethereum Classic and Stepping, Dogecoin, those are others, but I like looking at this fast here because I'm kind of used to looking at these charts, and I'm kind of used to the price point and the market structure of these three coins. So until they get out of this zone here with enough volume, that's when I'm going to stop chatting them. So in the meantime, that's what we're looking at. And if you refresh crypto bubbles here, you can see today is a bullish market. Yesterday was also bullish. Today is gonna be bullish, and it's gonna be bullish the entire weekend until next week. Now these are relief bounds, right? Yeah. So we go to Luna Crash as usual, guys. We have to check what the market is doing. I have some flu. Cold is getting into me now. Sahi ni kunoma manze. So we get our opinions done, guys. Remember, we are earning Luna tokens here when we just give our opinions. So how do I feel about the crypto market today? Today is bullish. Yeah. Stablecoin regulation is a good thing. Absolutely. We'll see more institutional money coming in. Is the carbon footprint of cryptocurrency a major issue? Of course, we are seeing it being a very major issue. It needs to be solved. DeFi insurance will be a major trend this year, absolutely, because when the institutions, the big money comes in, they definitely need insurance. So more users will be onboarded to crypto through NFTs than coins. I agree, because NFTs kind of resonate more with people rather than coins. They look more technical and more financial, so it's like, yo, this for finance guys, not for us, and some things. So Mark Cuban option sobre la imminente actualization the Ethereum. So I feel like they're saying that Mark Cuban has has uh, has proven the actualization of Ethereum. Yeah, that's bullish for Ethereum, I believe so. I love Mark Cuban. So CEO of the paper critical Ethereum criticized Ethereum. And revealed solicited the goes the Bitcoin. So he criticized Ethereum and praised Bitcoin because he's a Bitcoin maxi or something. Peter Thiel, the CEO of PayPal, is still the CEO of PayPal. I mean, zone special. Kwani leo wameamua kuleta tu za nini? Letting ngoso. What I know is that we have very bullish news today. We have seen Strike, which is one of the largest payment gateways in the world, partnering with major merchants like Shopify to allow people to use the Lightning Network and allow Bitcoin payments through their Shopify stores. And remember, Shopify is one of the largest e-commerce sites that enables you and I to do e-commerce. So that's they have millions of customers. I'll get the data right? Right? And remember, that's just Shopify. They are partnered with three other retail traders, retail vendors who have very many outlets, and we are talking about millions of people getting access to paying with crypto. So strive to integrate Bitcoin Lightning with Shopify, why it matters, plus Warren Buffett's psychopath grandpa Bitcoin enemy, of course. Warren Buffett ako na mbwakni by the way, wakiwa na nani, wakiwa na huo Janet Yellen. Stripe integrates with e-commerce and Shopify. That's the biggest news today. Approves that Bitcoin futures ETF application from Telstra. Oh, so more ETFs are being approved, but they are futures ETFs, not spot. Meta partners Rolling Stones on Creator House activation. Coachella, Elon Musk confirms support and enthusiasm for Dogecoin. That has always been so. That's why anytime Elon Musk trends, Doge has to soar in price. So Doge sees sudden spike as Tesla features mascot as Cyber Rodeo event. Jabalkeys are Vegas NFT pioneers. Wow, I love Jabalkeys, man. These guys, uh, these are the best dancers, man. Best break dancers. So Bitcoin 2022 conference, I'll cover the day two. You guys, if you are not watching Bitcoin Miami conference, make sure you grab see their live on YouTube. Amazing. Fed is on the verge of repeating history by doing what? Creating a recession or something. Okay. So Vitalia lists Bitcoin enemies called Buffett psychopathic grandpa from Omaha. Bitcoin price will rise 100x, replace called rival value for entire stock market. So Ethereum corrects loses why 100 SMA is key. SMA is moving average. Okay, moving average. So we've broken the 100 moving average. Uh, amazing. Tesla is prioritizing product development of Optimus humanoid robot in 2022. Let's see how that humanoid is gonna be. Freeport develops new standard to allow complex NFT applications on XRP Ledger. Nobody cares about XRP anymore. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see what the markets are doing, what's trending in the markets. Yeah, Dogecoin is always there. I don't know why Tezos keeps on trending yet. Nobody talks about Tezos. Yeah. So Dogecoin and Infinity. Yeah, so it is what it is. Let's see what Mesari has for us. Mesari, what do you have for us? What's new, man? What's new? What's up? Okay, Dodio to list origin dollar. Okay, that's another stable coin. I don't know. Lightning the structure, of course. Terra to buy 200 million in AVAX for reserves as rival stable coins in March. Oh, so now AVAX is also being used as a reserve. What does that tell you? That tells you that AVAX is also gonna surge in price because now if Terra Foundation believes in AVAX, who else should against that? Meaning AVAX is gonna be here in the long term. Wow, wow. At 67% of Cardano holders and order almost more than less than a year. Of course, Cardano XRP have been like stable coins, ranging there at the dollar rate up and down just around there. Robinhood rolls out wallets to 2 million whitelisted users plans with the great lightning. Wow. Lightning is coming to solve a lot of problems when it comes to payments. Amazing. That's imagine making instant Bitcoin payments just like how you do in Pesa. Amazing. So thank you guys for listening to me as usual. Thank you for checking out my analysis. I hope it helps you guys. Make sure you comment below what you think, your opinion, what else you wanna see me talk about, and then make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified. So cheers, guys. Have a lovely day ahead.